Hi, boys and girls. I wanted to read you a book about magnets because in first grade we learn about magnets. This book is found on Epic. It's called Magnet Power. So if you have time, you can go back and read it yourself. This is our table of contents. So this is a non-fiction book. It tells me information about magnets. So remember, the table of contents tells me what the book contains. What is a magnet? This is called our heading. Remember, it also tells me what this little paragraph is going to be about. Nails dangle from a magnet. What holds the nails on the magnet? A magnetic field pulls the nails to the magnet. Do you see that picture, boys and girls? A magnet has a force around it. You cannot see the force. The force is called a magnetic field. If you look at this black dust, boys and girls, on this paper, those are tiny pieces of iron, and the magnetic force pulls the iron pieces to the magnet. All magnets have a magnetic field. The field attracts iron, nickel, and certain other metals. Look at the objects below. Why are the block, marbles, and dice stuck to the magnet like the nails, screws, and paper clips? Why? Think about that for a minute. Magnets have poles. What happens if two magnets are held together? Sometimes they pull together, sometimes they push apart. This pyramid was made with yellow magnets and steel balls. The ends of the magnets pull together. A magnet has two ends called poles. One end is called the North Pole. The other end is called the South Pole. The North Pole of one magnet attracts the South Pole of another magnet. Poles that are different pull together, like this. Poles that are the same push apart, like this. They repel, okay? Let's look. If we click on this word repel, it will tell us what it is and what it means. To drive back, that means to pull apart. Can you bring the north ends of two magnets together? No, the magnets push apart because they're the same. Look at this cool picture, boys and girls. It is a picture of the Earth. The Earth is a magnet. Did you know that? That's interesting, huh? The Earth acts like a giant magnet. The Earth has two magnetic poles. Its magnetic field stretches out into space. Let a magnet swing on a string. The north pole of the magnet moves. It is pulled toward the Earth's north pole. Interesting, huh? This is called a compass, boys and girls. A compass uses the Earth's magnetic field to tell directions. The needle inside is a magnet. It holds the compass still. The needle will point north. So for hundreds of years, people have used compasses to find their way. If you have time, boys and girls, there are 3 questions that you can answer about what Miss Ward just read to you. And you can share it with your mom and dad. You can also look, does anybody remember what a glossary tells us? Yes, a glossary tells us the definitions or meanings of the word in the book. Okay, so if I didn't know what the word repel meant, I can look here, right? I really enjoyed reading to you today. I hope you all are doing great. I'm going to also share a magnet activity that you can do at home. So check that video out as well. I miss you, first grade. See you soon. Bye.